Hello, welcome to Brimwood Farm. Today we're going to talk about trees and specifically planting woodland. So as many of you know, one of the projects that I've got ongoing is planting more native trees up at the farm. And there are a lot of really beautiful mature trees already there, some of which are probably about 200 years old. There's some solitary oaks and there's also some trees along the hedgerows. But I want to put in more. And in particular, there is a wood that borders our land, hence the name we ended up with, Brimwood. And we want to extend that woodland onto the land by about 2.5 to 3 acres. So it'll be the wildflower meadow, so wildflower meadow at one end and then woodland at the other end. Now, you might see this big box next to me. It doesn't take a genius to know what's in here. Now, I have to say a huge thank you to one of my subscribers. They know exactly who they are, and they have amazingly, and I'm humbled by this, but they have donated what should be 32 young saplings. And that's a great gift. I always think if you're giving gifts to people, trees are a great gift because they last such a long time. Long after I've gone, long after this subscriber has gone, these trees will still be there. And I hope at some point they can come over and see these trees and maybe plant some more with me on the land. Now, I have no idea what's in this box other than I think there's 32 native trees. I don't know the variety at all. So we're going to do a bit of an unboxing. We're going to see what we've got. I'm very excited. So let's go. So, receiving plants in the post is probably my idea of heaven. And the box is bigger than I thought, which makes me think the trees are bigger than I thought. Oh, I may have to drop this down because there's a bit of... Okay, I'm going to have to put this down because there is loads of polystyrene inside. Oh! It's just as well. This is my little slip. Oh, exciting, and it's all in French, so I don't know what it means. Okay, hopefully there might be some English labels. Otherwise I'm going to have to look these up. Oh, I need my scissors again. There we go. Oh, I can see the first one. Oh, they packet it really well. It's hard to... Right, there we go. Baby trees, baby trees. Oh my goodness. This is like a trepidate. You know when you go to a fair and there's a lucky dip and you have to put your hand inside, it's like that. And you can see little bits of tree popping out. Right, okay, I'm going to put it on the floor and have a dig. Number one. Tree. So they are very small and oh, it's quite nice actually. They haven't come in pots. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this isn't one plant, this is 5 plants. So you can see that they are excuse me, they are quite small specimens. But actually that's good in terms of transporting because they're smaller, so it's easier to transport, and B, it's better for the plant because they don't get so disturbed. What I may do is, because we know we have deer on that land, I may grow these on here for a little bit and then plant them up at the farm in the autumn, and when I do that obviously I will need to put mesh surrounds to protect these trees. So this is 5 trees and they are Quercus robur. Quercus robur. Which I don't know what that is, So I'm going to put all the names of these trees when I discover what they are down below. Quercus robur, so that's 5 of those. So this is another 5 Quercus robur. And they're very lovely little specimens, and it's nice to have them in the winter as well because again they're dormant and so they're not being disturbed. If you try and ship plants in the especially trees and shrubs in the warmer seasons when they're live, they dry out much more quickly and become more damaged. Because these are dormant, they're very happy. So there's another Quercus robur. Oh, this. What is this? This isn't a tree. Oh, this is a hyacinth. Isn't that? Well, that's a nice little surprise. The flowers aren't quite open yet. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, I think that was a freebie. Lovely, thank you. Oh, there's a bigger tree here. These trees are quite big. What is this? This is quite a large one. Okay, so this is... Do you know what I've just discovered? There is UK names on here. So, the Quercus are oaks. So it is a pendunculate oak. So I've got 10 oaks. This beautiful specimen here is a black alder, which is amazing because you don't see many alder trees around. So that's lovely. Don't tip over. I'm going in. Okay, I've got another. I can't believe I missed that English label. So, how many have we got here? We have 1, 2, we've got 5 little trees again. And these are European beech. Now, I love beech trees as a hedge, but when they mature, beeches are just spectacular. So that's 5 beech. Oh, I found another one. And we have more beech. So what are those? Yes, so European beech. So we have another 1, 2, 3, 5 beech. So we've got 10 European beech, 10 oaks, this lovely black alder tree. I'm having to dig around now. Was there something there? Oh, I felt something. Did I feel something? Yes. Ash. So we've got some ash, another 5, so 5 ash trees. I think there might be another 5 ash trees. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's just that. Okay. So another 5 ash. So that's 10 ash, 10 beech, 10 oak, a random little hyacinth, and that black alder. And I think that might... be it. That is it. So, fabulous. Thank you so much. That's really exciting. Look at all these little trees. So the little alder trees. No, not alder trees. These are the ash trees here. Then these beautiful beech. I love beech. And then the oaks, which I'm very excited about because they just grow into magnificent trees. And then we've got the black alder, which I can't wait to see that grow. And then finally, this little hyacinth. which I will put on the mantelpiece because that will smell delightful in a few weeks' time. So again, thank you so much for the trees. Thank you for coming and watching the video. If you stay with the channel, hopefully you'll see these going into the ground up at the farm next time, well, in the autumn actually. But next time I'm up there, which will probably be in February, so next month, I'll do a bit of a quick tree tour, I think, and show you some of the beautiful specimens we've got up there, and also try and age some of them using some tips that I found out recently about how to age local trees. So again, thank you for stopping by. Thanks for watching the video. If you've liked it, please hit the thumbs up. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any future channels. If you're on Facebook, come across to Brimwood Farm community group and get involved with us there. And I will see you again soon. Bye.